To sign up for Semrush projects, start by navigating to the Semrush website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the registration process. Once you are logged in, click on the Projects tab located in the top navigation bar. In the Projects section, you will see a list of your existing projects and an option to create a new project. Click on the Create a New Project button and enter the domain name of the website you want to analyze. You can also set up a project for a specific subdomain or a competitor's website. Next, select the type of audit you want to perform, such as a technical SEO audit, a content audit, or a backlink audit. You can also set up tracking for your target keywords and competitors. After setting up your project, Semrush will start crawling your website and collecting data. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your website. Once the crawl is complete, you can view your project dashboard and start analyzing your data. The project dashboard provides an overview of your website's performance, including technical issues, content gaps, and backlink opportunities. You can also use the Semrush toolkit to dive deeper into specific areas of your website and identify opportunities for improvement. Best practices for setting up Semrush projects include regularly monitoring your project dashboard, addressing technical issues promptly, and using the data to inform your content and link building strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Semrush projects and improve your website's overall performance. It is also important to note that Semrush offers a range of project templates and presets to help you get started quickly. You can choose from templates for e-commerce websites, blogs, and other types of websites, and customize them to fit your specific needs. By signing up for Semrush projects and following these steps, you can gain valuable insights into your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence.